And welcome back to the Breakdown Tech. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 4K drones that you can buy in 2018. We're going to have everything from budget, more cheaper drones to super expensive, super professional drones mentioned in this video. You can check out all of these linked down below in the description. And if you decide to buy any of those on Amazon, it does help support us as long as you click those links before it. So we really do appreciate it. Thank you very, very much for doing that in advance. Also, before we get on in the video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content every single day of the week. We go over tons of video production, tech, gaming, all that awesome stuff. All kinds of videos every single day of the week. You won't regret it, so be sure to like and subscribe. But coming up first on our list is my personal favorite, the DJI Mavic Pro. This drone comes in at a cool $873 on Amazon. It has a 4.3 mile flight distance away from you. At 4K, it can do 30 FPS, and it has a 27-minute flight time, which is really, really good, and one of the better ones actually on this list. So overall, this is probably your best option. It's also super compact and super portable. It's what we would call a prosumer drone, meaning it's not targeted at super professionals, but it's going to give you a pretty good video quality. However, we're not done yet. We've still got 4 more, so let's go ahead and dive on into them. The second one is actually the GoPro Karma. Now, I know this drone overall isn't that great, but it's a really good deal. At just $999, you get a GoPro, you get an awesome handheld gimbal, and you get a drone. And the drone itself is competent to get up in the air, fly a little bit away, and get some good shots and come back. You're not going to be doing super crazy long shots like flying miles out because the max flight distance is only 1.86 miles, but at 4K it does 60 FPS with a GoPro Hero Black. I should mention, if you have an older GoPro, it might not, but the brand new GoPro Hero Black is going to do 60 FPS at 4K. As far as battery life goes, you're on the lower end with just 20 minutes, but still, competent drone with a great deal overall, so I wanted to mention it here. If you're a travel vlogger and you want to get the best overall deal for a drone, that one's probably it, because you're getting a GoPro, an awesome hand gimbal, and a drone controller all in one package for just $999. Now, number 3 is yet another offering from DJI. We have the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. This drone comes in at $1,339. Not too bad of a price for a pro drone, and it can fly up to 4.3 miles away from you while doing 60 FPS and 30 FPS at 4K. So you've got your pick. I would recommend 60 because then you can always slow it down if you need to. However, 30, it's harder to speed it up, right? But you can do whatever you want, 60 FPS or 30 FPS at full 4K. And as far as battery life goes, it's one of the top on the list at 30 minutes of battery life. This is another great option for DJI. The only thing I don't like about it is it's not portable like the Mavic Pro, but if portability doesn't matter to you, this is a great freaking drone. Now, number 4 is one you've probably never heard of before, and it's the unique Typhoon H. I hope that's how you say unique. I don't know why unique. I don't know how you say it, but it's on the screen right there. This drone is a 4K drone that comes in at $999. It has a flight time of up to 1 mile away from you. It can do 30 FPS at 4K, and it has a 22-minute battery life. But in that $999 price, you're actually getting 2 batteries, which means it's a 44-minute battery life out of the box if you come back, switch batteries, and then take off again. So that is freaking awesome, and this is the best overall bang for your budget deal, but it's from an outside brand that not many people know about. Personally, I'm going to stick with DJI. However, that might be up to you. If you're okay with not, check out the unique Typhoon H. Now, we've got one more recommendation here, and that is a DJI Inspire 2. This is a great movie quality kind of drone, guys. This is a super professional drone, and that's reflected in the price. It comes in at $2,999. At 4K, it can obviously do 60 FPS and 30 FPS, really any of them that you want as far as 60 and 30 FPS goes. It has a 4.3 mile flight time out, and it has a 27-minute battery life, which is pretty good for such a big drone. It actually has 2 batteries on it, guys. That's how big this thing is and how much power it uses to get that 27-minute battery life. So overall, the best budget option is actually the GoPro Karma. Now, I know the drone itself isn't great, but you're getting so much awesome tech with it that I would recommend that if you're like a budget travel vlogger, you can get the GoPro Karma drone and get a ton of awesome stuff with it. However, the best overall option is going to be the DJI Mavic Mavic Pro, and especially since right now it's $839, you can't really beat that price. So those are the two best options: the GoPro Karma for budget because you're getting so much stuff with it, and the Mavic Pro as the best overall drone. Do you disagree with me? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you agree with me, also let me know in the comment section down below, and feel free to post any drones I missed down there as well. I may just add them to the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this every single day of the week. My name is Nick, this has been The Breakdown Tech, and I'm out, guys. Peace.